same 20 rupees? 20 rupees?
Like itna punctuality is so harmful. I'm logging on my phone because I forgot my camera. Like my camera is here but memory card is not here. Anyways, like a fool, I've kept all of my suitcases नेपाल से आने के बाद in the balcony and it's raining cats and dogs. तो आज मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ी है घर पे मॉम से. So I've come here to clean them and put them इसके not here inside जहाँ पे जगह है वहाँ पे. Let's go.
Dory is swimming.
That's why she's Dory, no? That's why she can swim. Aadhaar card, give me the phone.
Several days later.
Hello guys, so I just came to the studio. Look at my face, I'm so tired. I am so like pressurized because I'm shooting like 2 videos today. I have to shoot the McDonald's challenge and also the vlog which you guys are watching. It's going to be a hassle, but we're gonna pull it off. I did not sleep because of this the whole night. Last night I was just thinking about how I'm gonna pull this off. Anyways, the reason why I came here is because I have to wear the new top, the green one which I showed in my latest haul, clothing haul, which I posted on my main channel. If you haven't watched it, go give it a watch. तो वो सारे कपड़े शूट यहाँ पे करा था तो यहीं पे थे. Also मेरे कैमरा की बैटरी यहाँ पे थी एक्स्ट्रा वाली, so I came here. I washed my face with the Dermavi face wash. Cannot live without this anymore now that I have gotten this in my life. I don't think I can go back to any other face wash. Of course I have other face washes which are my favorite, which I use to like cure my pimples in general, but if you need like a hassle-free face wash, you need to check this out. This maintains the pH balance of your skin, so it doesn't strip your face off. मैंने बाल बांध दिए क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. I just switched on the AC. Also I'm talking so much क्योंकि मुझे निकलना है. मैं घाई में बात कर रही हूँ, so I'm already sweating. Anyways, so I'm using the Nutriderm Vitamin E lotion. This is how it looks like. I know you guys must be like ये 2 products हमेशा दिख रहे हैं आजकल यहाँ वहाँ. Should we trust it or not? If you trust me, you will buy it because I have seen a massive difference, especially after using the face wash. So I just want to show you the consistency of this. So it's a very baby lotion kind of product. So I would suggest if you have like combination to oily skin type, use the tiniest amount. Okay, you don't need a lot, and if you have dry skin type, you can use like थोड़ा ज़्यादा quantity, but it's gonna suit all the skin types. Okay, अगर आप कोई active ingredient वाला serum use कर रहे हो ना पहले, तो इसके ऊपर ये जा सकता है. You don't have to think twice because sometimes when you use retinol, vitamin C, salicylic or some other active ingredients, you have to make sure कि आप ऐसा moisturizer use करो जो उसके साथ react ना करे. Now that my skin is nicely prepped, this is how my skin looks like. I have to like just conceal my under eyes, mascara, eyebrows, lipstick. That's it. I'm not using any foundation or powder, nothing else. I am waiting for Sahil to come. बस गाड़ी चालू करके AC चालू कर दिया है. I'm going to damage my bank balance. I'm going to buy a new camera.
All the best.
अरे यार.
A few moments later.
अभी क्या करना है?
तू ठीक है क्या सेंटा क्लॉज? नाक लाल हो गया है. चैलेंज करना था, चैलेंज कर रहे हो बोल.
नहीं हुआ है लाल. कहाँ लाल
हुआ है भाई, मेरे को दिखता है. ये मिरर में देख देख,
इसमें सब व्हाइट वॉश हो रहा है. हाँ अभी हुआ है लाल. हुआ है लाल. Guys, बस हो गया. I don't think I'm gonna put this in the vlog anyways. Bye.
3 hours later.
पास्ता
कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है हम लोग को. किधर लेके जा रहा है साहिल? वहाँ पे हम जा रहे हैं.
मिल जाएगा मिल जाएगा. अरे ये लेफ्ट
है मम्मी. The roads over here are massive. Like हम लोग को पार्किंग ढूंढने में इतना टाइम चलेगा. कशिश कहाँ है तू? गया मेरा पैसा उड़ गया. बैंक बैलेंस खाली हो गया.
क्या? हाँ.
फील अलग है.
वो वेट आपको लेंस का इज मोर गुड मींस यू नो.
जब नहीं सुनोगे ना तो आप बोर्ड ऑफ पे ना एफएक्सआर
ट्वेंटी लिप बाम तुला माहिती किती रुपयाला येतात? डू नो हाऊ मच मनी डज इट टेक फॉर 20 lip balms? Then do you have that much money?
No.
Then how will you buy 20 lip balms for me?
Same 20 rupees. Wait, 20 rupees? Same 20 rupees. Same 20 rupees. Wait, 20 rupees?
एसीला मला फार गरम होत आहे. हा. It's very hot na, Shevi?
What?
It's very hot.
No, it's cold.
I am feeling very hot.
I'm feeling very cold because I know camera and mouse laptop भी दे. ते सर को ना laptop सुद्धा मामा घाम येतोय.
लॅपटॉप मुळे घाम येतोय.
What?
ते बाकी पण laptop नाही ते.
Shevi's full 24 hours entertainment.
मानसी छोटोसेशा चले साले.
Oh my god. So I'll tell you what she's trying to do. So I don't know if you guys know this Ch language. I think everybody must be knowing about it. So you speak, so Manasi is Chansima in Ch ka language. So when we want to speak in like secret language ना हम Ch की भाषा में बात करते हैं, तो she is trying to speak in Ch की भाषा, है ना?
चाकी चैसा
कुछ भी नहीं, सब में चर्चा डाल रही है, आता कुछ नहीं है. What happened?
I'm sorry, Mama touched everything with my naily hand.
Naily hand?
They're not dry yet.
They're not dry yet? Then why are you touching everything with those hands? I told you, na? Guys, look at Shevi's raincoat. Look at this, guys. Look at me. Wow, you look so cute and so pretty. Hi guys, so it's the next day, of course, and I have come to the studio. It's I think 12 o'clock. No, it's 11:20 almost, and I finished my challenge video, McDonald's wala. It's done. I just wanted to come here and show you guys. Look at the glow on my skin. Like, is it just me who can see this or what? Like, love it. I was thinking I'll film skincare video next, but then I realized that उसमें डर्मावीव का फेस वॉश और न्यूट्रीडर्म का विटामिन ई लोशन तो होना ही है. एंड इट्स नॉट गोना बी अ स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो बिकॉज कोई भी ब्रांड अपने ब्रांड को दूसरे कॉम्पिटिटर ब्रांड्स के साथ स्पॉन्सर नहीं करेगा. सो ये एक बेसिक लॉजिक है जो लोगों को नहीं समझ में आएगा. एंड मैंने वो गांव में भी लेके गई थी. इफ यू हैव सीन द मार्च के व्लॉग्स, उधर भी मैं लेके गया था. देन आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट इट इन माई नेपाल व्लॉग्स एज वेल. सो आई हैव टेस्टेड इट आउट इन वेदर कंडीशंस, डिफरेंट वेदर कंडीशंस. एनीवेज, सो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है पता है, अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स से लोगों का फोकस हट जाता है बिकॉज दे जस्ट फील दैट इट्स स्पॉन्सर्ड व्हेन इट्स नॉट. तो मुझे थोड़ा एक शक आ गया खुद पे कि करूँ कि नहीं करूँ वीडियो. बट आई एम गोना थिंक दिस थ्रू. मे बी यू नो कल आई विल फील डिफरेंट. पीपल कीप चेंजिंग देयर ओपिनियंस. मे बी कल आई विल फील कि नहीं, एफ दिस शिट एंड लेट्स जस्ट फिल्म द वीडियो. सो लेट्स सी, आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. Alright, so this is the camera that I have bought. This is the Sony a6600 and this is how it looks like without the lens. This is the back and this is the viewfinder. Let me just show you. It flips up like this Then I bought this amazing lens by Sigma. If you know anything about cameras, you would know that Sigma is a leading brand when it comes to lenses. This is the 16mm 1.4 lens, and इससे जो bokeh effect आता है, oh my god, like you cannot even imagine. So I'm just gonna attach this and I'll show you. This camera becomes very heavy once you put on the lens, because ये जो lens है वो काफ़ी heavy है. So एक हाथ से आप नहीं उठा पाओगे जैसे मैं Canon G7X उठाती थी. I have to like use 2 hands. So 2 days back or something I was testing the this out, and I must have shot like 50 clips, and first like 30 clips I was like, I am not liking the footage, this is not aesthetic, the colors are not looking like my Canon colors and this that. Then I called my friends who are professionals. I also called Sahil. I showed him the footage and he's like, Mansi, this is real life, like this is exactly how your skin is looking right now. So yeah, I am excited for you guys to see the quality. The bokeh effect that you get, the blur background effect because of this lens is out of this world. I cannot wait to shoot a video with this. I am gonna end this video. I hope you guys loved this vlog. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe कर लो, share करो अपने दोस्तों के साथ. We have to reach 100k on this channel very soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye. Hello my lovelies. So I was just like finishing the video and I was about to post. As you guys can see, laptop पीछे ही है. Construction की आवाज़ आएगी, please ignore. But कुछ दिल में हुआ यार. I was like, वीडियो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. आई नीड टू एड्रेस दिस थिंग. तो आपने देखा ही होगा कि जब वो रोने का पार्ट चल रहा था मैंने कट कर दिया, एंड आई डिड नॉट टेल यू गाइज और शो यू गाइज, बिकॉज सारा कैमरा पे रिकॉर्डेड है कि व्हाट हैपेंड एंड एवरीथिंग. We are gonna continue with the noise in the background, but ये हुआ that I forgot the memory card and extra memory card and extra battery. So what happened is, as you guys saw, मैं specially यहाँ आई थी चीज़ें लेने के लिए, and I still forgot, and I was really nervous because of 2 things. एक तो क्योंकि मुझे 2 वीडियो शूट करने थे एक ही दिन पे, and because मेरे पास एक ही कैमरा है, this G7X उस टाइम पे, and 2 pieces of content when you shoot वो मिक्स हो जाते हैं. तो मैंने क्या सोचा था, मैंने पूरा स्ट्रेटेजाइज करा हुआ था कि जब मैं मैकडॉनल्ड्स का फुटेज लूंगी, आई विल कीप ऑन चेंजिंग द मेमोरी card, so that you know मैकडॉनल्ड्स का footage will be on the different card and vlog का footage will be on a different card. Also extra battery because पूरा टाइम शूट करा था, पूरा दिन, तो कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि बैटरी डेड हो जाती है and you cannot charge it anywhere, तो चार्जर कैरी करना पड़ता है all of that. So I have extra batteries, तो मैंने बराबर से दोनों को चार्ज करा था. Everything was according to the plan till the previous night, till the time I sat in the car, but things started going wrong, and to be honest, it's a stupid thing to cry for this and breaking down for this, because it's a simple human error. You can forget things, and that's the reason why I didn't want to put that in the vlog. But then I realized that you know, this is not just me. This happens with a lot of girls and boys, that we are so hard on ourselves that we just don't give that much credit to ourselves. We are always criticizing ourselves so much, and जब हम खुद ही खुद को इतना क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं तो लोगों से हम क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट करें. अब व्हेन आई वाज लाइक सीइंग द फुटेज एंड आई वाज लाइक, ये क्या स्टुपिडिटी है, क्यों रो रही है पागल जैसे. बट I understand that being an Aquarius, especially like Aquarians think about 50 things at a time. Like right now also I'm thinking about so many things while I'm talking to you guys, and sometimes it just takes a toll on your mental health, and also it just messes you up on a deeper level. Like उस दिन मुझे नहीं करने की ज़रूरत थी इतना. एंड फन फैक्ट, आई डिड नॉट इवन यूज़ द एक्स्ट्रा बैटरी, आई डिड नॉट इवन यूज़ द एक्स्ट्रा मेमोरी कार्ड, जो जाके वापस मैं घर जाके लेके आई, उसमें 1.5 घंटा वेस्ट हो गया. आई डिड नॉट इवन लाइक यूज़ दैट. आई मीन ऑल दिस फॉर नथिंग, क्योंकि मेरा एक ही बैटरी में काम हो गया, और मैंने आई फॉरगॉट ओनली टू लाइक स्विच द मेमोरी कार्ड्स इन द एंड. एडिटिंग में काफ़ी दिक्कत हुई मुझे, बिकॉज आई हैड टू प्ले ईच एंड एवरी क्लिप एंड सी व्हाट इज़ द मैकडॉनल्ड्स वाला फुटेज एंड व्हाट इज़ द व्लॉग वाला फुटेज. बट इन दी एंड मैकडॉनल्ड्स का चैलेंज अच्छे से मैंने पोस्ट करा. आई एम हैप्पी विद द फुटेज, और व्लॉग भी अभी आप देख रहे हो, एंड आई एम हैप्पी विद द फुटेज. आउटकम बराबर हुआ, बट जो पीछे हुआ दैट वॉज नर्व रैकिंग, and it happens, and I need to just like be easy on myself. And this clip is not to gain sympathy or tell you guys to tell me Mansi is okay. This is to tell you guys that if you are feeling the same, when things don't go according to your plan, when sometimes, you know, you wanted a job at this age, you didn't get it. You wanted this much salary, you didn't get it. You wanted to score that much on your paper, on your exam, you didn't get it. It's okay. You don't have to have everything sorted just because you thought कि वो ये time पे होना चाहिए था. Life is just unpredictable and life is messy. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say. I am gonna play the clip when I'm crying because I am not ashamed of crying. Everybody has emotions. Also, just giving a disclaimer that अगर आपको आगे की clip नहीं देखनी है जहाँ पे you know I'm just breaking down and just like venting out, please exit. Do not pass shitty comments over here because I understand you just want to see happy things, which is totally your choice. No objection, no offense. You can just exit because अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे कि we just want to see happy things, don't talk about your problems, that's never gonna happen on this channel. This channel is as raw as it's gonna get, because if I'm gonna vlog when I buy a car, then I'm also gonna vlog when I'm having a breakdown. That's called real vlogs. So yeah, and also I want to thank Sahil for like just listening to me and letting me vent out. In fact, all of my friends, current friends that I have, they are like that. They will not compete with me कि नहीं मेरे problems तेरे से बड़े हैं, you know, and I will also not do that to them. Whenever we went out to each other, we let the person went out. I have had friends in the past who would be like, तेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है बट मेरा तुझसे ज़्यादा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, एंड दैट जस्ट सक्स. अगर आपके ऐसे फ्रेंड्स हैं तो प्लीज़ उनको पहले ही छोड़ दो. सो या, लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड सी माउ क्राइंग.
My issue is with time. I have to be on time and perfect in everything, and when it doesn't happen, it just messes me up. This is not how I had planned my day, and if it doesn't go like that, it is wrong of me to put myself through this. I know that, and that's why I am pissed. It's because I cannot take things lightly when it doesn't go according to my plan. Like, itna punctuality is so harmful.
Macarena, hey Macarena, 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 hey.